39.
Hudson Bay 39.
Clipper Hudson Bay 39.
Coming on board.
Yeah, have a look around. Don't step down the hole.
No, my cousin did that.
Yeah.
Wow. Hudson Bay 39.
Yeah. Clipper Hudson Bay 39.
Is that your grandkid?
Yeah. Yeah. My little granddaughter.
She's cute as.
Yeah.
Wow, it's fitted out nice. 39.
Yep.
They've made good. Oh, here's the bathroom in here. That's a full-size bathroom. V-berth. Mate, they've made good use of this. The room in this, haven't they?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
I just took a 39 or 40 footer over to South Australia.
Oh yes.
And
yeah.
it was nowhere near as nice.
Right.
The fit out was terrible. This is fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow, they've really done a job. What's down here? This is what I like.
Just watch out the backside of the
Yeah. That's mid. Is that a Cummins? Volvo Penta. Have a look at this. Whoa, that's clean as a whistle. Look at the strap that you got on the shaft there. Fire suppression unit, bilge blowers. Look at this, electric pumps on everything. Is that the genset you got running?
Yeah.
Mate, this is fantastic. How many horses is that?
450.
450.
Volvo Penta 450.
450, and she cruises at about 10. And what?
Top speed's 22.
22. That's the same as that one I just took over. We got 22 out of that, and it had twin. Hang on, I'll just shut this off. That's Chris the skipper.